Clemson University's Director of Coaching, Jamaican Mark Elliott, says he and his coaching staff have been stunned by the university's decision to discontinue its men's track and field and cross-country programs. Clemson University's Director of Athletics, Dan Radakovich, announced on Thursday that the university would discontinue its men's track and field and men's cross-country indoor and outdoor programs at the conclusion of the 2020-2021 athletics season. Radakovich said the decision was as a result of exhaustive examination of the university's athletics department over the past several months. He said after careful analysis, they concluded that discontinuing the men's track and field program is in the best long-term interest of Clemson athletics. However, Elliott, who spoke on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Friday afternoon, said he and his staff were caught off guard by the decision.
The athletic director did say it was a long time on his part, but for me, I became aware of it at 12 noon yesterday. So we're still, from a staff perspective, and the student athlete, male and female, is still trying to process what occurred. So we're still, let's put it this way, we're still in the grieving process.
Wow, based on what you're saying, Mark, this took you absolutely by surprise, huh?
Yes, it did, by big surprise.
In the meantime, Elliott and his staff are now pondering their future status with the university.
When you have a program that is one, either male or female, you can't have as much staff as you do now. So until we find out what the direction the athletic director want to take, it may or may not, include us.
Wow.
So I don't want to speak for that, but it's the real world. It's not just track and field or working in an office. Sometimes, they go in a different direction and you got to find a way to move forward. So that I can't control. What I can control is take care of the student athletes. So that's what I'm intending to do right now.
Even though the athletics director has said the decision to cut the men's program is final, Elliott is hoping efforts can be made for its reinstatement in the future.
I accept that they did that, but my goal is to work and do whatever I can, to make sure the program, they take another look and re-added the program, because there haven't been a specific reason given to why it was discontinued. This program has been cut in the United States before at different universities, but not a university as big as Clemson. And in the end, they end up re-adding the program. So that's our goal, to do that.
The athletics director said the cut would result in annual savings of $2 million, which would be reinvested into other athletics department initiatives. Elliott, who is the director of coaching, joined the Clemson staff in 2013, while his assistant and fellow Jamaican Lennox Graham came on board in 2017. Clemson says it will honor the coaches' contracts through to their full term, which means the coaches will be paid up until June 2021. The university also said it would honor the scholarships of all impacted student athletes through their undergraduate years. There are currently 6 Jamaican athletes on the men's track and field team at Clemson University.